How to sign up SuccessFactors SAP account. Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. Open up any of your web browser and then at the search bar type in sap.com. At this page, click onto your profile. Enter here, click onto the option that says create your SAP account. Enter your detail, business email address, your last name, department, your first name, your country, your phone number, and your relation to SAP. Now as you can see that I have entered all my details. Now if you want to request the respective channels below, you can check on this box. And lastly, check on this box that says I have read and understood the terms and conditions of SAP.com. Once done, tap on submit and then you will move on to next step. Just like so, you will create yourself a SAP account. This is all for today and thank you for watching and subscribe for more.